It's currently 5:36. I might save it too. I just think that there's a lot of background noise, so I have to use the mic to mute. Then it's 5:37 on a Monday, and I'm doing the dishes because not because of anything. I'm not doing the dishes. I want to make jollof spaghetti. There's a kind of way that I want to make it, and I have the veggies. You know that one where they thinly dice the veggies to match the shape of the spaghetti? Exactly that one. That's the one I want to try to make today. I haven't figured out, or I haven't gotten a hang of filming, like cooking while filming, because there's this floor to whatever length tripod, phone stand. I think that's what phone stand I'm trying to get. I've seen a couple of brands online, but I am aware that there's a fake version that doesn't last as long as the others. So I'm trying to be careful because I actually invest a lot in gadgets, and I want something that would last me a while. I don't want something that I'll just use for a couple of months and that's the end of the shelf life. There was one I got recently. I discovered that it's a this thing. It has 3 legs, but one of the leg isn't balanced, and I cannot be battling with that and also looking for how to balance. I'm looking for how to balance it, so to finish clearing this place so I can have are you gonna stay? Oh, it's not gonna stay. So I can have more space because my kitchen is that small, so I'm just going to finish all the cleaning. I'm going to trash this mug. It has a tiny crack. Not a tiny crack, it has a long crack, and I don't like it when my mugs are cracked. I'm going to have to look for a mug that's as big as this. Red inside, black, whatever. If there's any vendor that carries it, please let me know. My husband loves this mug, but it's leaking. There's a crack here. It stands outside, so I don't know if you can see it. But it stands outside, so I'm just going to trash it. This is the second glassware that I'm having to trash because of the cracks and all of that. I just believe it's dangerous. Anything can happen. You can hold it one particular way and it breaks. And I don't like. I'm not scared, but I don't just like when glass. When glass breaks, I don't like it. The second of this one has broken. I don't just like it. Just makes me super conscious than I should be. I'm hoping that I'm able to finish this before my husband comes back, so that it doesn't take away our bonding time. This is my favorite plate. It just brings back so many childhood memories. Although we didn't use this a lot as children, there was this plastic kind, very colorful. I'm going to ask my mom for that plate. Very colorful, looks like this, but it's very colorful. There are different colors. There's the I remember the yellow, the orange, and the blue. We had our favorite plates in the house, and our mom used to serve us, you know, with our favorite plates. I think mine was yellow, but I like the orange too. We just loved those plates. They were really cute. I wish I could get them. They're not like regular plates now, but I know my mom still has a couple in her house because she's a keeper, man. She keeps items like that. I have loads of beef here that I want to try. I want to make chicken on sticks too. Just like to look for this thing, the picture, and probably a video from CJ Mama's page, YouTube page, so that I can copy the recipe. It's been a long day, man. It's been a long day. What do I need to do now? I need to wash the pressure pot so I can boil the meat. All this meat here cost 10,000 naira. So it used to be more than this. 10k meat used to be more than this actually, but our meat blog told us that there's been inflation, that the cow they buy for 450k is now sold for 1.2 million naira. So this is 10k worth. It used to be more than this. I don't know how many this is going to serve us for, because we usually buy 10k meat per month and then fish and all of that, but the meat is like our major, but this is 10k. This is 10,000 naira. It is well. Now, contrary to popular opinion, I don't like to cook. One of my love languages is cooking for the people that I love. I don't know if that makes sense. If I like it, I'll cook for you. One of the reasons why I don't like to cook is that it is time consuming. Now I have been cooking, not cooking basically, but I have been in this kitchen since past 5 now, and it's like 1 hour later and I'm still cooking. Okay, I started with cleaning first and I'm still here, and I'm not even halfway done. Like, I can't have a visitor and say, oh, it's gonna be ready in 15 minutes, it's gonna be ready in 30 minutes. I can't have that. Why? Because I'm still cooking. And the sun has gone down, so the video is getting darker. Spaghetti. I'm not the only one who has observed. Now, before, one spaghetti like this can feed 5 people. 4, 5, yeah, 5 people. But now, 3 people will finish this. It's not very small. I've salted the boiling water, so I'm just gonna let that boil. I've not sliced the veggies yet. Still boiling it. This is what I feel like. There's something I was also going to say that when you're cooking like just a quick meal for yourself, it's not as time consuming, but when you have to film, you have to get the angles and all of the things right. I think that's what's delaying me. If not, I'll have finished this thing. It's foaming, so I thought this thing poured in it. I would have whipped. I would have whipped, I mean. Okay. Now I can add in my spices. Who's going to stop filming? When it's ready, I'll show you guys, because this thing is taking my time, man. I'm just going to stir the spaghetti continuously so it doesn't stick together in the boiling water. And no, I don't want to add oil. Just cover this to boil. So by the way, I got mint leaves. I've been eating them raw, by the way. This is what they look like. Oh, smells heavenly. Goodness. I love the smell. I guess I'll show you the finished products. I can't be doing this work and filming. No, it's not my calling. Not that it's not my calling, but it takes a lot and I don't have the energy to do a lot. I need to make this dinner before my husband comes so that we can eat together and have enough time to bond and all that. So I don't want him to come and I'm still cooking till the night now. Don't like it. See you. So this is the end product. This is what it looks like. Doesn't look like what I want, but so I have this thing for what's it called? If my spaghetti is not red, I used to think something is wrong, so I'm trying to work on it. A spaghetti can actually be green, it can be purple, depending on the kind of food coloring you have in it. But this is the end product of the spaghetti. I'm still boiling meat, but this is the end product. Tastes yummy, tastes good to me. Funny enough, my food never tastes good to me, but people say it tastes good, but to me I'm like, nah, something's off, something that. But yeah, this is it. This is the end product of the spaghetti. I don't even know what to call it. I used more of grains. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, this is the end of the vlog. The time is 7:25, and I have just completely finished anything that has to do with kitchen work. I'm waiting for my husband to come. I'm exhausted. That's why I don't like cooking. I'm exhausted. I don't feel like eating anymore, but I'll definitely eat this one because it actually tastes good. So thank you so much. I don't even know where this is going to be, but yeah, that's the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let me know what kind of content you want me to shoot, because I have a couple of content ideas. But anyways, see you in my next video. Bye.